In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix keyboard light not working on Windows 11 or 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, most laptops utilize a physical function key to cycle through brightness, and that could be like off, dim, and bright. However, if your FN lock is active, Windows is going to read your clicks as standard F key inputs instead of hardware commands. So scan your top row of function keys for a graphic icon that resembles a small keyboard flashing light rays. So common triggers might be F3, F4, F5, or F7, or even the spacebar. So what you're going to do is press and hold the FN key on your keyboard, then tap your designated backlight key. And then if that doesn't work, press FN and escape once to swap your global FN lock state and then try tapping your lighting key by itself. What you could also do is unblock Windows 11 dynamic lighting and power saving because that could be blocking it. So what you want to do is go over to your settings and then go over to personalization on the left. Now what you want to do is find dynamic lighting, which is right here, and then make sure where it says use dynamic lighting on my devices, you want to make sure that is turned on. When it's turned on, you just want to drag the brightness slider all the way to the top, and then you can also do any light control you want as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.